your breath. Hold your breath, guys. We are going to see something marvelous. And I'm thankful to my friend. Hello. Yes. Hello guys, today it's my day 1 in Baku and I'm going to visit all the city today. I'm so excited because from now it's morning till evening I'm going to visit all the place. So right in front of me there is this beautiful mall. It is called Deniz Mall. Deniz is sea in the local language, and this mall is on the bank of Caspian Sea. So we will see Caspian Sea as well along with this beautiful Deniz Mall. So let's go inside the mall and we see the whole beauty and what lies beyond. Well, as far as Azerbaijan is concerned, I would say it's really beautiful. I had heard that it is called mini Europe. So I would say it is Europe, okay? There is no mini Europe, especially the people and the monuments and the places here. So it is actually Europe. My friend here in Azerbaijan, he's just offered me wonderful cappuccino from Costa Coffee. So you can see right behind me, we've got this Costa Coffees, and I tasted Costa Coffees when I was in Dubai. There it was really good, I enjoyed that, and now once again I'm going to have it, and I'm thankful to my friend. Hello. Yes. He's just offered me this wonderful coffee. Thank you so very much, right? So I'm so happy to be here. It's my first day, and the way things are, in a minute I'm going to see Caspian Sea. Amazing, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most beautiful sea in Baku, and that is Caspian Sea. Okay, so hold your breath, guys. We are going to see something marvelous. Yes, here we are. This is Caspian Sea. Well, my first interaction with the sea. Oh my god, just see right behind me. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I have no words, I'm lost for words. I don't know how to express myself. Awesome. That skyscraper right behind me, and there I am enjoying. I think they've got some refineries there. So this is the mall right here. You can see the mall and the Caspian Sea, and I've just got coffee, cappuccino from Costa Coffee. So I'm going to enjoy that over here. This is good. It's quite windy. Whenever you go to the beach, it's always windy there. So it's quite windy, and the Caspian Sea is great. I'm loving Baku because of the natural beauty, guys. Baku has got very good weather and there is the natural beauty, so because of that I love Baku. It's raining, okay, but I'm enjoying. It's not lovely. Coffee, sea, rain. What else you want, guys? What else you want from life? This is so amazing, and if you are enjoying at the moment with me, comment, do let me know, right? When I was coming to Baku, I was not expecting that everything is going to turn out roses for me and very comfortable and smooth trip, but actually it is very comfortable and very smooth trip here, and it's beyond my expectation, and it's very comfy. Hotel, transport, food, everything is very comfy over here, and I'm really enjoying it here.